Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a snow effect to an image. First, open your image. Then go to Select and choose Color Range. In the Color Range window, look for an eyedropper with a positive icon. Now choose which color range in your image that you want to add a snow effect to. Once done, click OK. Next, add a solid color and make it white. Then open the blending option by clicking on the FX icon that can be found at the bottom part of your layers window. In the underlying layer bar, adjust the left slider depending on how much snow effect you want to add. Then split that slider by holding Alt on your keyboard and dragging the left or right part of the slider. Then adjust those split sliders until you get the desired result. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.